Right, howdy folks, how we doing? As you can see, we're ploughing. We've got the new LO85 on, which you've seen before if you see the Fendt vid and the TW ploughing vid where I was helping Charlie and he was in the Fendt, I was on the TW. So it's done a few acres now. Very kindly had Roger from KV out today just to help just tweak it a little bit more, just get a little bit more out of it. And yeah, Roger knows his stuff, put it that way, because you can see, despite the fact it's pretty blooming hard out there, Plough's making a lovely job. There's still a few little bits we need to do. We're going to put some 14-inch shares on it rather than 16-inch. We're hoping that'll just help invert the soil and stop. You know, you can see these. I mean, the fact that the soil's so sort of, there's a bit of moisture in it, but it's still coming up lumpy. You know, it's pretty solid. And the fact that it's like that, it's struggling to invert. If we put, look, you just nearly see there, well, you see it on the camera, not big lump just trying to go through. We put 14-inch shares on it, might just help invert the soil a bit more rather than just push it over. So we're going to try that, but it's doing a perfectly acceptable job. Doing well. Yeah, we'll just get out quickly and have a look round it, I reckon. We are on auto steer, of course. Trimble FMX on range point. Well, just going to have a quick look round it, shall we? Right, so like I say, this is an LO85. It's a it's very width, but it's not hydraulic. It's manual very width, so you can do 14, 16 and 18 inch. We're on 14 inch. LO means it's an on-landing furrow plough. That's what that ram there does. When it's fully pushed out like it is at the minute, that offsets it so it's can work on land. When that ram sucks in, that's when you go in furrow. Now we've got the double depth wheel on the back, so we've got no turnover mechanism to worry about. That just oh, it's heavy. That just rocks a few degrees one way or the other. We're on number 28 bodies, got knock-on points. The 85 designation is the point-to-point clearance on it. So the clearance, how much distance is from that point to the second point. I'd say 85, so it's an 85 centimetre clearance. You will have seen we had the 100 centimetre one on demo. That was in December, January time. It was quite wet. We had a, if you remember, we had Fastrac on our old LD85, and Topwell's brought out a LO100, a metre point to point. So that's what the designation means. But yeah, number 28 bores, like I say, and it's fair hard going out. It is fair hard going out. This is the day after the Haynes working weekend, but there's a bit of moisture in there, you see. There's a bit of moisture. We can come and press this with something. That'll knock that down, I reckon. We've got more rain forecast tomorrow, well, overnight and tomorrow. Like I say, it was just we had Haynes yesterday, Sunday and Saturday. If you haven't seen that, check it out, because the old T-dub's gilled up. That was hard going there. We had some rain on the Sunday afternoon, yesterday afternoon, and whether that's just managed to make this move a bit easier or what, but like I say, you can see there's some good lumps in it, but it's doing a fairish job. So what we'll do, we'll go and do a few ups and downs, and you can have a look from the drone. How about that? Right, so let's get on, shall we? Just take a little bit of getting it in at the headland there, just to force it in with the rear linkage a little bit. Do some revs and we're off. It's well on the old Fastrac, isn't it? And we've got 1200k on the front, and you'll see that we've got, I'll just come around a little bit, go up, you'll see just behind the cab there we've got the deck weight on as well. She's got 900 kilogram deck weight on, so she does pull well. She does pull well. Yeah, I mean this year we've not actually done a huge amount of ploughing. We've got a bit to do. The only ploughing we've done is what you've seen on the videos, really. But I've got about 150 acres to get through, so not a great deal. We've combi lifted a lot of stuff. That's gone pretty well. Combi lifted and either jokered it or stuck the spring tines through it. I think you'd agree that's going over quite nicely there. Roger from Cavernan knows his stuff. Still see a little bit of dust coming off it, can't you? But it's certainly a bit easier going than when we went about a month ago. Well, yeah, about a month ago I should think, when we first set off with it. Negotiate this headland turn. Force that in a bit with the old arms. There you go, it's going now. Bring it back up to level. And away we go. Now I've been asked this before on ploughing with GPS. People will say it's cheating, but I've covered this many a time. It's not cheating. You don't have a 10 grand auto steer system in it and not use it. But anyway, getting away from that. I've had people ask, what offset do you use when you're ploughing? Well, you don't tend to use any offset. If the plough is pulling straight, which it should pull within an inch or two either way, you shouldn't need any offset because you roll the plough over each time. So the plough's in the same, it's this side of the tractor when I'm going up. It's the the way you're looking, it's the far side of the tractor when we're going up the field as we are now, and then when I turn around it's still the same side because the plough turns over. So hence you just need to put in the width of the plough, which we've got set at 2.35 metres, and then that'll that width is what you plough by. Like I say, because you turn the plough over, it just goes up and down that width, so you don't need any offset. Like I say, there's no offset. I've got no offset programmed into this. It's zero offset with 2.35 metres working width. This field is actually, let me just shush that in the road warning up. This field is actually the same field as the last day of harvest video. It is that same field. Hence why you can see lots of tracks over the stubble there. You know, where the bales got stacked up by Joe, and then we put them in a stack in the corner of the field. Fastrac is just working quite comfortably with it. In she goes. I've still got to go quite in depth into the Trimble Precision IQ next swath tech. I'm still going to do that with you. There's not a lot of point doing it on the ploughing because I can't really use next swath on ploughing. I'll have a massive headland, so but I will do that on a future vid, and also may have a nice little how to best describe it without giving anything away. Let's bring you down while I'm thinking about it. Be a little treat hopefully between me and Trimble. We've got something lined up, so keep your eyes peeled for that. That should be good fun when that comes off. That'll probably be a winter project, I think that will, but keep your eyes peeled for that. Hope you're enjoying this video, by the way. If you like this style of video, let us know in the comments. It went down quite well last time. I've done it a couple of times now where I've you know, just flown the drone and you know, talked about what I'm doing at the same time. You got a bit of GoPro footage in with this one as well, just to mix it up. For those of you who are wondering, it's I often get asked this. It's a unique Typhoon H drone. Often get asked what type of drone it is. A good old bit of kit she is. Lift you up over the edge. We are coming up to the headland. Up she comes. That's to force her again, I reckon. There you go, she's in. And away we go again. Clouds starting to build up a bit now. I think they give there's a band of rain coming. I think that's coming sort of 5-6 o'clock. So hopefully we'll get this field washed out before that gets here. Got a little bit left to go. I think that's what we've got left to do. So, don't know, about 3 hours to get over there, an hour to do the headland, about 4 hours. Might get it done before the rain comes, with a bit of luck. There you go, we're just pulling through where combine and the baler are run. Looking good. I know I wouldn't be able to keep it that straight, I know that much. Not across the whole field anyway. Not on this type of land either. You know, I'd keep it fairly straight, but it wouldn't be as straight as this. Oh, there you go. Right, well, I hope you enjoyed that quick vid. I'm going to crack on, get the rest of this field done, and I'll see you on the next one. Ta-ta!